Astronomy has been practiced for as long as humans have been looking at the sky and wondering what it means. Today, we will be looking at how astronomy developed and what it is used for in different parts of the world. The first ancient civilization we will be looking at is Mesopotamia. Babylonian astronomy was the study or recording of celestial objects during early history in Mesopotamia. Dating back approximately 3500 to 3200 BC, these records can be found on Sumerian clay tablets. Along with their mythology, the Sumerian gods played an important role in the development of their form of astronomy. Astronomers in Mesopotamia were scribes who studied stars, planets, and the moon. The lunar and solar eclipses were a huge deal to these astronomers, as they thought this was a sign that the gods were going to kill all the livestock they had. During the 8th and 7th centuries BC, Babylonian astronomers developed a new approach to astronomy. They developed a method for predicting future occurrences based on past observations. Also, the Babylonian astronomers not only recognized Venus as the same object, whether it appeared in the morning or night, but they created a method for calculating the length of Venus's cycle. According to them, the length of one cycle was 587 days, compared to the actual cycle of 584 days. The next ancient civilization we will be looking at is India. The first Vedic text to mention astronomical data records the events going all the way back to 4000 BC. It describes rules for tracking the motions of the sun and the moon for the purposes of rituals. The first records of sophisticated astronomy in India date back to at least 2000 BC, where they are found in the Rig Veda. The Rig Veda shows that the Indians divided the year into 360 days, and the year was subdivided into 12 months of 30 days. Every 5 years, the 2 periods were added to bring the calendar back in line with the solar year, ensuring an average of 366 days. Aryabhatta was one of the first Indian mathematical astronomers. His ideas included mathematical models in which the Earth was spinning on its axis and the periods of the planets were given with respect to the Sun. He was also able to calculate the many astronomical constants such as periods of the planets and times of solar and lunar eclipses. The Indian astronomers also understood that the Earth was spherical and attempted to calculate the circumference of the planet. They calculated 36,000 kilometers for the circumference of the Earth, which is very close to the actual figure.